I think I messed up. Why do I always end up counting snores instead of sheep? It's 3 a.m. Your partner's snoring is shaking the walls. You've tried everything, earplugs, sleep masks, even a pillow fortress. But their snores just keep coming. Forget sleep, you're battling a snorenado, but wait, suddenly you discover something miraculous. A mysterious silent solution to... You're wide-eyed with hope, and just like that, the snoring stops. Silence at 3 a.m. hits different. Now, dear, it's celebration time. You dance around the room, silently mouthing thank you. Meanwhile, your partner is sleeping like a baby. Finally, peace and quiet. The nightly snore wars have ended. Sleep peacefully tonight. Good night.